Oh, hi everyone mga kababayan. I am Faith. I'm currently studying Masters here at IPU. And alam ko maraming sa inyong interested to study here in New Zealand. And I have some exciting news for you. So here with me is Joseph, the marketing manager here at IPU. So Joseph, why do you think they should choose Masters here at IPU?
Good question, Faith. I think po maganda mag-aral ng Master's Level 9 dito sa New Zealand. Kasi po ito yung hinahanap ng New Zealand government ngayon, yung mga highly skilled, yung mga people that maganda yung skill set na transferable, and at the same time, you want to upskill yourself by educating yourself or studying in a level 9 na master's degree. And fortunately, we have that Master of Global Business Level 9. And I think ito yung kinukuha ngayon ni Faith. You're doing a research-based master's, di ba?
Yes.
And you are on your year 2 research. Yeah. Kamusta naman so far yung thesis?
So far, it's getting better.
Okay.
So Joseph, I heard you're going to the Philippines so this month. So can you invite our viewers?
Opo. Yes. So sa mga po nasa lugar na pupuntahan ko, I'll be going there. First of course, syempre I'm going to Manila from 14 to 19 of June. So malapit na yan, next week na yan. And from 19 to 22, I'll be in Davao City. And then from 22 to 24, sa Bacolod naman. And 3 araw din ako sa Bacolod. And after that, I'll be going back to Manila from 24 to 26 of June. So kung nandyan po kayo sa mga lugar na yan, pwede nyo po i-message si Faith. And you can also, I think, we can, kung pwede po, if schedule would permit, we can meet. And I can discuss further the details of the program and even the school IPU New Zealand.
Ayun naman pala, madaming time siya sa Philippines. So I'll also put somewhere here in the comment or in this video yung mga days na sinabi niya and then yung exact location where you can find him. And if you also want to set a one-on-one appointment with him, you can just DM me on my Facebook and Instagram. I'll just put somewhere my handles na sabihin nyo, hey, gusto kong ma-meet si Joseph and talk about New Zealand and IPU. And that's it, Pansit. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye!
See you po.